Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some meal prep ideas that will help you eat healthy for the entire week. Meal prepping is an efficient and easy way to maintain a healthy diet, save time, and stick to a budget. So let's get started. Breakfast. First up, breakfast. One of the most important meals of the day. To save time, try making overnight oats. Simply layer oats, your choice of milk, yogurt, and fruit in a jar, put it in the fridge. And when you wake up you'll have a nutritious and delicious meal to start your day. Lunch. Next up, lunch. For an easy and healthy lunch option, try making salads in a jar. Start with a layer of dressing at the bottom. Then add veggies, protein, and top it off with some nuts or seeds. When it's time to eat, just shake it up, pour it out onto a plate and enjoy. Dinner. For dinner, try making chicken or fish with roasted veggies. Simply season your protein with your desired spices. Place it on a baking sheet with some veggies, and roast it in the oven. This is a great way to get your daily servings of both protein and vegetables. Snacks. Lastly, let's talk about snacks. One of my favorite snacks is boiled eggs. They're packed with protein, portable, and easy to make. You can also try cutting up some fresh fruits and veggies to snack on throughout the day. Conclusion. And there you have it. Some simple and healthy meal prep ideas that will set you up for a successful week. Let me know in the comments which recipe you're excited to try first. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.